welcome back, guys. So I'm here with a Nadula here once more, guys. This is everything that I got this cute little bag. Before we get to the box, I got this cute little bag. Like, how cute is this? This is gonna come in so handy to be like storage, and it's branded Nadula, as you can see. So I really love that. And then let's get into the box to see what we're working with today. The first thing I'm seeing is the goodie bag, and I got a pair of wig caps, HD wig caps, that is, a elastic band, a pair of lashes, and a brush. Also got this little thing here. I'll place this branded Nadula drawstring bag in the box. And then lastly, well, not lastly, I also got a Nadula branded elastic band, which is perfect for melting your lace once you apply it. Alright, and then I got this gorgeous highlighted curly wig. So gorgeous. It's a 13x4 wig, a lace front wig, and it's medium brown on the lace. So this is a 13x4, as I said, transparent lace front wig. All right, the hair is 22 inches long, 22 inches when stretched, of course, and it's highlighted. This is some Brazilian curly hair. I love the highlighted portions. Like, the color job is really nice, and the fact that it's curly, it's a nice curly texture. It's gorgeous. Love that. Now in the front, it comes nicely pre-plucked. There's a center part in there. The hair feels very silky and soft, so I love that. And the construction of the cap looks like this. It's a total of 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back, and adjustable straps as well in the back of the cap. They also added some adjustable straps on the inside for more security. You know, if you need it, you can also remove it if you don't want it to be in the cap, you know. And it's gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous. So now that I show you guys how the wig looks, it's very full, by the way, very nice and full, very realistic luster, and I love the curl definition a lot. So now that I've showed you guys what we're working with, let's go ahead and jump into installing it. The wig is super snug. I love that. I love the placement of the streaks. I don't know if you get what I mean, but I just love the way they place these streaks. It looks so good. I love this voluminous curly vibe. I don't know, it's really pretty. So alright, remove the extra lace on the sides because, you know, we need the cap to be sitting comfortably on the head. So this is giving the perfect glueless vibe to how nice and snug the cap is. So because they do have a lot of security on the inside of the cap, and I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the entire portion where there's no hair on the lace. So I'm just taking my time to do this. So that's how that looks. So what I really want to go in and do is secure the sides, and I know you're seeing a little bit of castiness, but nothing a little powder can't take care of. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make sure that the sides are, you know, not flabbing like this, but it looks so good. is how we're looking. It's still very much glueless, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my face powder to kind of just eliminate the cast on the very front of the lace. But guys, something about this, I just love the messy, like curly vibe. It's giving Beyonce, Ciara, and you see no baby hair is needed. It looks so good. I love the volume. I love the volume on this wig. Like, you could do a really nice flip over vibe with this. It's so nice. Look at that. No baby hairs, no swoops, like, and it's glueless. I made it completely glueless. So I'm gonna actually show you guys this in its wet state. I'm definitely gonna just go ahead and wet it up a little bit. So I still want it to be able to get back the same level of volume pretty easily. So I'm gonna just spritz it with water and brush it out so you guys can see the curls even more defined. And by the way, I forgot to specify, but this is actually a jerry curly texture, okay? And I'm getting minimal shedding from the wig, just so you know what level it's shedding on. It's minimal. So this is how it looks wet. See, it's still very voluminous in comparison to the side that's dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the next side wet, and then I'll come back. You see how good this looks? And this is it after I have spritzed it with water. It looks good. You see how nice and defined and full these curls are? Yeah, the highlighted portions really add a pop to the entire look. Let me know what you guys think. I made the parting a little bit more precise, and yeah, I'm loving it. Very nice and voluminous and juicy curls. So yeah, Nadula did their thing. The front is really nicely pre-plucked, and the fact that I didn't have to do any baby hairs, any swoops or anything, really nice. And as well, guys, glueless. This was a gorgeous glueless install. Yeah, this is my wig look for today. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Very convenient, very easy install. Is giving. I love how they added combs, elastic band, adjustable straps in the back of the cap, and it's all just really helps with the security even more. So those are the factors that really play into making it really easy to wear glueless, I should say. So that's a plus. But yeah guys, that's it for today's wig look. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, the direct link to it will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications. So please go ahead, check that out. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Nadula here once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video.